Hi, do you have cold and cough? Or does any of your family member suffer from cold and cough and you have used different medication to treat it, but it's not just going away? Today, I'll be sharing with you simple and super effective remedies that you can use to treat these ailments at home. But before then, I would like you to know that coughing is not a common medical complaint. However, it's usually not a sign of anything serious at all. So you don't need to, get worried. Meanwhile, prolonged coughing can also be symptomatic of a number of conditions. It is a sudden and often repetitive process that helps to clear the large breath passage from secretions, phlegm, foreign particles,